In a world at the mercy of every rise and fall of the thermometer, your local Bryant professional will stand and defend you, your family, your home, and your bank account from fluctuating temperatures and the impact of rising energy bills with reliable products and unflinching whatever-it-takes service to make sure you stay comfortable in your own home. Now, more than ever, know that your comfort is assured. Because no matter which way the mercury goes, your local Bryant professional will be ready to fight on efficiently. Bryant, whatever it takes.